Welcome! If you want to change icon shape into a Samsung Galaxy A10, first step, go into Play Store and find X icon editor application. I'll show you this one. Need to install this application, wait for installing, and then go into this. Wait a second for opening. Then close ads. And now we can choose your application. For example, maybe this one, Google Chrome. Okay, so first option in the list is background color, and next option is shape. So let's choose for this shape, for example, like star. Or maybe a rectangle. No, okay, star is okay. So, and click OK in the top right corner, wait for generating, then close ads one more time, and then need click add, and now we got a new icon shape of our Google Chrome. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.